You will continue to suffer if you have an emotional reaction to everything that is said to you. True power is sitting back and observing everything with logic. If words control you, that means everyone else can control you. Breathe and allow things to pass. It took me a long time to understand what it means to forgive someone. I always wondered how I could forgive someone who chose to hurt me. But after a lot of soul searching, I realized that forgiveness is not about accepting or excusing their behavior. It's about letting it go and preventing their behavior from destroying my heart. Your diet is not only what you eat, it is what you watch, what you listen to, what you read, the people you hang around. Be mindful of things you put into your body emotionally, spiritually, and physically. You will continue to suffer if you have an emotional reaction to everything that is said to you. True power is sitting back and observing everything with logic. True power is restraint. If words control you, that means everyone else can control you. Breathe and allow things to pass. It takes a very strong individual to sit with themselves, calm their storms, and heal all of their issues without trying to bring someone else into your that chores. Your journey into self is love is just that, and you are doing to it. At this point, you are doing better than you ever have before. You are not exactly where you want to be, but you are advancing in ways unseen. You fight for inner peace where in the past you just accepted the chaos. You are reacting less from your emotions and responding more from a space of stability. You are more in true with all the things that are going your way instead of the few that are not. You are forgiving, loving, and observing more. All this growth is going to work wonders for you. Even now, as broken as you may feel, you are still so strong. There's something to be said for how you hold yourself together and keep moving even though you feel like shattering. Don't stop. This is your healing. It doesn't have to be pretty or graceful. You just have to keep going. Don't judge my choices when you don't understand my reasons. As you shifting, you will begin to realize that you are not the same person you used to be. The things you need to tolerate have now become intolerant. Where you once remained quiet, you are now speaking your truth. Where you once battled and argued, you are not choosing to remain silent. You are beginning to understand the value of your voice, and there are some situations that no longer deserves your time, energy, and focus. Yourself, please stop going back to the same people who keep hurting you. You removed them for a reason. Yes, they may keep knocking on the door, but you don't have to keep opening it. Every time you do, they repeat the same cycle and you stay stuck. You deserve to be treated with respect. Sure, no one is perfect, but people who hurt your heart too much never give it a chance to heal. It's finally time to learn to let go of the people and things that don't make you feel happy, loved, and whole. Trust me, I know you more than anyone else. love me.